1. Intro. The aftermath. Europe was broken. Cities were smoldering. Borders had vanished. For over 2 decades, the continent had been ravaged by revolution and war, a violent storm that peaked with one man, Napoleon Bonaparte. He was finally defeated. But peace did not follow victory, because peace had to be built. 2. The gathering of empires. In the heart of Austria, the victors assembled. Diplomats, monarchs, power brokers. They came not just to end a war, but to restore a world. It was called the Congress of Vienna. For nearly a year, the old powers debated. Britain, Russia, Prussia, Austria, and even a defeated France, represented by the cunning Charles Talleyrand. They didn't just want stability. They wanted control, and that meant reshaping Europe's political map, brick by brick. 3. The German question. At the center of their concerns was the German heartland. The Holy Roman Empire had been swept away by Napoleon. In its place, chaos, dozens of independent states, a vacuum of power, a dangerous opportunity. Prussia and Austria, the 2 giants of the German world, both saw the same thing, a chance to lead. But open conflict was too risky, so a compromise was born. 4. The Confederation emerges. 39 German states were bound together in a loose pact, the German Confederation. It had no central government, no army of its own, just a shared promise to defend one another. It was weak by design. Austria would preside over it. Prussia would watch closely, and the rest of Europe would hope it stayed quiet. But beneath the surface, the seeds of something far greater had been planted. 5. A delicate peace. The Congress of Vienna redrew the borders of Europe and tried to freeze time itself. A balance of power, a carefully stacked arrangement to prevent another Napoleon from rising. It would hold for a while, but the German Confederation, it was never built to last. Beneath its fragile shell, ambition stirred. And just decades later, it would explode into the wars that would forge a nation.